Today on Learn. Have you ever wondered about the power of resilience in the face of setbacks? Let's take a journey through the life of a renowned figure who faced a major setback, but didn't let it define them. Imagine for a moment the brilliant inventor Thomas Edison. His path was not always lit by the warm glow of success. In fact, he faced numerous failures and rejections. But did he bow down? No, he was resilient. He took his setbacks and turned them into comebacks. Edison once said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That, my friends, is the power of resilience, the unwavering tenacity to keep pushing, to keep innovating, even when the odds are stacked against you. So remember, when life throws you a curveball, when you face a setback, it's not the end. It's a new beginning. It's an opportunity for a comeback. Resilience in the face of setbacks is the first step towards a remarkable comeback. Has it ever struck you how determination can transform setbacks into comebacks? Let's consider the story of a man who faced numerous obstacles. His journey was not smooth, littered with numerous failures and disappointments. But he didn't let his spirit waver. His determination was his beacon, guiding him through the darkest times. He understood that determination is not about never failing, but about getting up every time we fall. It's about keeping our eyes on the goal, even when the path is obscured by challenges. It's about holding on to our dreams, despite the doubts that cloud our minds. This man's story is not unique. Many of us face setbacks, but it's our determination that defines how we respond. It's the fuel that ignites our resilience, the force that drives us to rise above our struggles and march towards our goals. Determination can indeed turn the tide, turning setbacks into comebacks. Do you realize how persistence can turn a setback into a comeback? Let's journey through the life of a man. An ordinary man just like you and me. He was faced with a myriad of setbacks, each one seemingly larger than the last. But did he let it break him? Absolutely not. Instead, he chose to persist, to keep pushing forward, to keep striving. Each setback, each failure was a lesson learned, a stepping stone on his path to success. His persistence was his anchor, his shield against the storm of failure. It was the driving force that kept him going even when the odds seemed stacked against him. So what can we learn from these inspiring stories? From the stories we've shared, it's clear that resilience, determination, and persistence are not just buzzwords, but the very backbone of turning setbacks into comebacks. Resilience, the power to bounce back from adversity, is the opening act of your comeback story. It's the resilience that gets you back on your feet, ready to face the world again. Then, determination takes center stage. Determination is the resolve to keep moving forward despite the odds. It's the fuel that keeps your comeback engine running, pushing you closer to your goals. And finally, persistence, the art of relentless pursuit, is the grand finale. It's the persistence that keeps you going, making sure that your comeback is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey. So take these principles to heart, apply them in your life, and watch how your setbacks transform into comebacks. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. It's not about how hard you fall, but how strongly you rise back. Let us know in the comments what your techniques are. We love reading from our viewers. Until then, see you tomorrow in the next video.